If you're dealing with low water pressure and rough well water but can't fit a softener, you've got to know how to clean your lines and boost that flow without a full system overhaul. So, first off, check your pressure tank's air charge. If it's off, your pump won't work right, and you'll get weak water flow. Shut off the power to the pump, drain all the water from the tank by opening a faucet, then use a tire gauge to check the air pressure at the tank's air valve. It should be about 2 pounds per square inch below your pump's cut-in pressure, usually around 28 psi if your switch is set at 30 to 50 psi. If it's low, add air with an air compressor or bike pump till it hits the right mark. Next, flush your plumbing lines by opening all faucets and letting water run for a good while to clear out mineral buildup that's clogging things up. Try installing inline filters or sediment traps before faucets to catch debris before it clogs your pipes. If you notice scale or hard deposits inside pipes, vinegar or a mild acid solution can sometimes help dissolve buildup. Just be careful and don't use anything too harsh. Also, check your pressure switch settings and contacts to make sure they're clean and functioning. Dirty or faulty switches can mess with pressure too. Finally, consider an electronic descaler if you can't fit a traditional softener. It won't remove minerals but can reduce scale buildup inside pipes. One of the biggest issues with well water pressure problems is ignoring the pressure tank's air charge, because if that's off, your pump cycles too fast and water pressure tanks don't do their job right. You fix this by recharging or replacing the tank. Another common mistake is not flushing pipes regularly, leading to mineral buildup that restricts flow. Flushing and using mild descaling can clear this up. The third problem is overlooking the pressure switch. Dirt or corrosion on the switch contacts can cause erratic cycling or low pressure, so cleaning or replacing the switch often solves this. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners needing reliable local contractors who get the job done right without hassle. It also helps contractors connect with customers who actually need their skills, making sure everyone wins without a headache.